Hi, I'm Mr. Cup. Shall we talk today about the B-2 bomber, Boeing B-2 Spirit, is a stealth nuclear bomber aircraft developed by the U.S. company Northrop Grumman. It is considered one of the most advanced and powerful military aircraft in the world. Key features of the B-2. 1. Stealth technology, extremely difficult to detect by radar. Very low radar. Cross-section RCS. Second weapons load, can carry both nuclear and conventional bombs. Supports weapons like JDAM, B-61, and B-83 bombs. Third flight range, over 11,000 kilometers with aerial refueling. Operation and crew requires only 2 crew members, equipped with highly advanced avionics and stealth design. Operational use, used in missions like the Kosovo War, Iraq, and Afghanistan. Ideal for high-value target strikes and nuclear missions. Cost and production. One B-2 bomber costs around 2.1 billion US dollars. Only 21 units were produced. Future replacement. The B-2 is expected to be replaced by the B-21 Raider between 2020 to 2030. Summary. The B-2 is a highly secretive and expensive stealth bomber capable of delivering nuclear payloads across long distances undetected. 1. Start of the war and Israeli airstrikes. In early June 2025, Israel launched Operation Rising Lion, a large-scale airstrike targeting Iranian nuclear and military facilities, especially centrifuge centers in Isfahan. Over 200 fighter jets were involved, with some elite commando units targeting underground bunkers and key installations. 2. Iran's response. Iran retaliated using Sajil ballistic missiles, drone swarms, and rocket artillery. Within 6 days, Iran imposed a nationwide internet blackout, causing panic among civilians. Some missile strikes reached deep into Israeli territory, including a direct hit on Soroka Hospital in Beersheba. 3. Human and civilian impact. Over 722 Iranian casualties were reported. Israel reported 24 deaths, with dozens injured. Soroka Hospital had to evacuate all patients, and several wards were rendered inoperative. Fourth, U.S. involvement. The United States backed Israel by strengthening air defense support and deployed a naval strike group to the Mediterranean Sea. However, the conflict continues, with international actors monitoring its escalation.